Hello, today we will be looking at Mixamo, going over the animations, how to download and custom characters with the auto rigger. Right here, we have the main site where you can just sign up or log in. For this, I will just use my Google account. Once you logged in, you will get into the characters page with an already selected character. Sometimes the animations do lag on some browsers. As you can see on the left, we have a list of various characters to choose from in various styles. It does also take a bit of time to load up the characters, so be patient. For camera controls, we can move around with the mouse buttons, and then use the scroll wheel to zoom. Okay, so here I have loaded up a zombie model. There are buttons at the bottom of the screen which are not that important, but it's there for other forms of camera controls. Anyway, we will download this character. Make sure it is FBX and that it is a T-pose. Now that we have a model, we need animations. Go to this animation tab at the top. It does take a bit of time to load, and it can lag. Take your time to look through these animations. Now, I will be just getting some test animations and showing off some of these extra settings. Adjust the settings to whatever fits you. You can also mirror the animation too. I will just download any idle animation. Here you get extra settings, download it as FBX. This skin option just means if it comes with the model or not. As we already downloaded the model, we can just do without skin. You can usually leave all the other settings as it is. Okay, let's say we have movement style animations like walking. Find a walk animation and then at the settings, there is a checkbox for in place. This means that the character is moving on the spot. UE4 already moves the character anyway. A moving animation would cause complications. You would download it the same way too. I will skip this part as we will now go on to using custom characters and using the auto rigger. First, download or make a model. I will use this soldier model. We can then go back to Mixamo and press the upload character button. Read the note as it is important. Just comment below and I can reply with other tips if you want. Anyway, the processing will take a few minutes. Sometimes getting model right takes a bit of time, but when it is ready, you can set the main bones. You can check through the skeleton lot, but no need to. Just click and draw the circles to the points. The symmetry is already switched on. Once that is complete, just press next and it will take a few minutes depending on the model. Finally, it is ready. Just check if there is any clipping or distortion. If there is, try adjusting those circles from the auto rigger. Now, before you can download animations, you are going to need just the T-pose model. I suggest just reloading the page so that you can get it. Next time, we will go over making the custom character in Unreal Engine with animations and movement starting with a base, and adding on optional stuff such as jumping and crouching. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and see you later.